Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Today we have a 2012 Victory Vegas. This is the Zach Ness edition. Zach Ness is obviously the custom paint scheme. It's matte graphite, matte gray in color, if you will, and it has these wicked lines all through it. It's absolutely beautiful. Nice wheels on it. Again, this is all aftermarket. This is how this bike comes, right from Victory, the special edition. It's in excellent condition. I don't see anything wrong with this bike, except for one little imperfection in the seat, which I'll point out. Again, it's the Zach Ness edition. Looks like serial number 37 of the production here. I'm not quite sure how many they made. I know it's never a lot. Well, this one's number 37. Stock exhaust, just nice sweeping matte gray exhaust. Good tires on it, front and back. Gotta really show you this paint. I've never seen a bike like this before. The rear wheel obviously matches the front. If you want to stand out on a motorcycle, this one's definitely going to be it. You won't see a lot of these on the road, if any. Really nice machined grips, kind of go with the rest of the flow here. Got this little brace across, which is nice. It all matches. The one imperfection I found was right there. Really small. Looks like at some point maybe there was a tear or beginning tear. It's been repaired. It's super solid. Bike has low miles. We're talking about 6,200 miles. 62, 61. Really cool bike here. We'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear it. Best part about this thing, if you ask me, is the fact that it still has that 106 notorious motor that they make, 106 and the 6-speed transmission. So this thing's quite the beast for a little bodied bike like this. Anyone can ride it. You don't have to be very tall or very large. It's a nice mix of power and weight here. Any questions about this bike, please give us a call. We're at 813-615-1700. We're located in Tampa, Florida. To check out our other bikes, please check us out on our website, www.myridepro.com. If you're looking to have this bike shipped to your home state, give us a call, give us your zip code, we'll get you a discounted shipping rate. We ship bikes out of here a couple times a week. Other option is you can fly into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up and you can ride her home. The bike's been serviced here and is ready to ride. 2012 Victory Zach Ness Vegas. Thanks for watching.